In this video, I'll guide you through how to generate a CSR in GoDaddy using cPanel step by step. A CSR or certificate signing request is what you need before you can get an SSL certificate for your website. Once you have a CSR, you can give it to your certificate provider and they'll use it to create a secure certificate for your domain. Let's get started from the very beginning. First, sign in to your GoDaddy account and open your cPanel admin. This is the control panel where you manage your hosting files, email, and security settings. If you're not sure how to get there, look for an option like cPanel admin or manage hosting in your account dashboard and click through until you see the cPanel home screen. Once you're inside cPanel, scroll down until you find the security section. In that section, look for the option labeled SSL TLS. This is where all of your SSL related tools are grouped together. Go ahead and click SSL TLS to open that area. Inside the SSL TLS page, you'll see several different options related to certificates and keys. For now, you want the part that deals with certificate signing requests or CSR. Find the heading that says certificate signing requests or CSR, and under it, click the link that says generate, view, or delete SSL certificate signing requests. This takes you to the page where you can create a new CSR. On the CSR page, you'll see a form that asks for several details. These details are important because they're included in your SSL certificate, so take a moment to fill them in carefully. In the domains field, enter the domain name you want to secure. This might look like www.example.com or simply example.com, depending on how your certificate will be set up. Make sure the domain matches exactly what you plan to use for your website because the SSL certificate will be tied to this specific name. Next, enter your city, state, and country. Use your legal, real-world location here, not a nickname or abbreviation. For the country, choose the correct option from the list provided. This information also appears in the SSL certificate details, so it should be accurate and up to date. Then, in the company field, enter your business or organization name exactly as it's legally registered. If you're setting this up for a personal site and don't have a company, you can usually enter something like NA or personal if the field requires an entry. Just be consistent with what your certificate issuer expects. After you've double-checked all the details on the form, you're ready for the final step. Click the Generate button. cPanel will create your CSR and display it on the screen. You can now copy this CSR and use it when you request or configure your SSL certificate with your provider.